Sit down. Sit down. First identity is what? X plus y square. X plus y square is what? X square plus 2xy plus y square. Okay. Write it down. Arush, sit down and write. And then second identity is x minus y whole square is equals to x square minus 2xy plus y square. These are the identities we are going to use in the next exercise, that is exercise number 2.4. Clear? So the third one exercise is like x plus y and x minus y should be is equals to x square minus y square. Clear?
Yes, sir.
The next one is like if you have x plus y and the different one like x plus z, or you can say like x plus a or x plus b. When these numbers are different, what to do then? Then the identity we use are x square plus x in bracket a plus b plus a into b. This exercise we are going to use. Okay, so these are the four identities we have now. And fifth one, I told you, if you didn't find anything common in that, like a plus b and then c plus d. When you find a plus b and c plus d, then what to do? First multiply this number by whole this and then multiply this number by whole this, like a then c plus d and then again b then c plus d. It is clear? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Clear to everyone? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Write down these identities, then we are going to start using these identities in questions. Okay. Okay, now we are going to start what? Exercise number 2.4, question number 1. Clear? So first question is x plus 4 and x plus 10. We need to solve it by using the identity, and the identity is x plus a and then x plus b. What is the identity? Can you please tell? Yes, sir.
X square plus x into a plus b plus a into b.
X square plus x then a plus b plus a into b. This is the identity we are going to use in this question. Clear? Now we have x plus 4 and then x plus 10. It should be like x square plus x and then 4 plus 10 plus 4 into 10. We did nothing, but we only put the values there. We put the values of a. What is the value of a here is 4 and the v value is 10.
10.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
So now it is like x square plus 4 plus 10 is 14x. 14 multiplied by x, it is 14x, then plus 4 times the 40. This is your answer. It is clear to you, Arush, Arnab?
Yes, sir.
Everyone clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, this is up. What is the next question now? The next question is x plus 8 and x minus 10. X plus 8 and then x minus 10. We have again same question. Like this is the first one, this is the second one. We are going to use same identity here. Same identity? Yes. You can write the identity here first. You need to write when you are solving the question, because जब भी आप identity लिखेंगे, it contains 1 mark in your exams. So write the identity. So x square plus x, then a plus b, then plus a into b. But what we have, the value of a is 8 and the value of b is minus 10. Clear? So use the identity. It is like x square plus x, then value of 8 plus minus 10 bracket close plus 8 into minus 10.
Sir.
So yes.
So we have to use big bracket instead of small ones.
Yeah, we can use this one as well, curly bracket. So it is like x square plus x and then 8 plus minus. Plus minus is what? Minus. And sign is of greater value. Clear? So it is 8 minus 10 is like minus
Minus 2.
2. Very good. plus 8 2 ja, no, sorry, 8 10 ja 80, and it is of minus 80. Now we have the answer that x square minus 2x minus 80. This is our answer. It is clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's move to the next question.